एक समोलोगिस्ते तो किरियो te agathos alleluia
Otistonne ona to eleo saftu alleluia.
Do something,
All
I'll
right.
show you broomstick. Do something, I'll show you broomstick.
Shamji,
Do something, I'll show you broomstick.
Shamji, say again.
Do something, I'll show you broomstick.
Is that a threat?
You're the one saying
Is
that.
that
I'm
a threat?
It's not a threat. I'm just saying.
This is a threat.
It's not a threat.
Shamji,
Brother, he mentioned
Please
my
come
name
here.
more than my wife, brother. Shamsi. Where ya?
would you like to debate right now as a Muslim who has shown up at Speaker's Corner,
Brother, you already
who has
said-
been running
Okay,
away
you
for
asked me
too
a
long?
question. Can I answer it now?
Yeah.
You already said your God is a pedophile. I can't speak to you.
That's what you
Wallah,
said.
He said that. Wallah, he said that. Brother, he was here. And the camera is recorded. I said to him, why your God was inside a woman's private part, pretending to be a child, while he was fully God, like a pedophile. Do you accept that? Do you accept that?
Yeah. Are you happy right now?
I'm gonna answer.
Now-
Take care.
now, could we
Brother,
debate?
You think he's well played, please.
Could we debate?
Yes.
What is more historical, the deity of Jesus or the prophethood of Muhammad?
I'm asking
Can we
you-
please
look, he's a
debate
scary
right
question.
now?
Okay.
Shamji is
Shamsi.
available at
It's
Speaker's
not
Corner
Shamsi.
today.
Shamsi.
Sure, don't be offended.
Don't be
Shamji is available at Speaker's Corner today and we can debate. What is better attested in history? The deity of Jesus or the prophethood of Muhammad?
Hang on.
What is better attested
I'm gonna say
in history? Did you hear my question?
Historically, okay.
Can
You know
we
what
discuss?
I'm frustrated with someone so dumb.
Don't be
But,
offended.
you said don't. But don't
Shall
be
we do
offended
3
as
minutes
well.
each?
Don't be offended as well.
3 minutes each?
Now let me speak. I'm gonna speak now.
No,
Don't
no,
tell
but
me.
can
Don't
we
need to.
debate 3 minutes
I'm
each?
gonna speak.
I know you are going to speak.
Clearly,
But
I
can we
asked
do
you
3 minutes
question.
each? Who is going to keep time?
Brother, clearly,
Who wants to keep time?
Brother, I'm speaking.
I know, But
Are you-
let's
no, I can't
let's
speak
keep
because
time.
You know me.
Sure,
I'm
speak.
Algerian. In the summertime,
Sure.
I got frustrated with the dumb people like you. Because I've just asked you a question. You God was it inside of one private part? Yes or no?
Repeating for the fourth time,
Okay, he's not gonna answer.
desperately, and to your children, you're trying to show yourself as some scholar while repeating aimlessly the same point for the umpteenth time. Instead, Shamji, have you run away? Unbelievable. Shamji runs away like a coward. Why does he come to Speaker's Corner? Why do these people follow him? Haven't got a clue. If these people had any grey matter working, they should choose to leave Shamji rather soon. Shamji is not worth your time. Your children growing up, some are 16, 17, 18, 19. You should begin to know who you are going to learn from. A person who consistently runs away from a Christian, a Muslim Dawa mafia ringleader who consistently runs away from a Christian at Speaker's Corner is not worth his salt. So Shamji is gone 1-0. Are you a Muslim? How old are you? I know. Instead of panicking, so you're a Muslim, sir? Sure. You have come. Right now. How old are you? You're an adult?
Don't worry.
Are you an adult?
Don't worry.
I'm not worrying. I'm wondering what the probability of you beginning to make sense is. Hey, so you quickly moved into my personal space. You're stepping on me, right?
Sorry, bro.
You're pushing me right now.
I'm walking.
You were staying there.
I'm walking.
I know.
I'm walking.
But walking, touching me and pushing
I'm
me,
walking. Thank you. I'm walking. Thank you. You're blocking the way. That's instructive.
this is not a way. There's nowhere to go there. I am standing here.
I don't want to talk. I'm trying to get.
Clearly, you're mentally ill. If you want to
I'm
walk,
not your mother. Thank you.
look at this clown. This clown shows up at Speaker's Corner, and for every time he engages in violence, if he had learnt at least one alphabet of the language properly, he would have been more intelligent today at Speaker's Corner. Look at him. Clearly an adult, grown up. He has a bag on him. I don't know what he does with the bag. But for his age, if he wants to be sensible, he should have just learnt one alphabet a day for every day he showed up at Speaker's Corner. Instead, he has been busy causing trouble.
That's defamation.
Too much
I'll see you
trouble.
soon. That's defamation. I'll see you soon.
No, defamation.
Just know this, know this. Oh, you know the person.
So the terror mafia ringleader right now
I'm a mafia. Can you
is
do that?
now
That's
is
no deputation.
a
Okay, you're a rapist. You're an Indian rapist.
Sure.
Yes,
Thank
you are.
Sure.
You are.
Thank you. Now
specialize in
that
control.
you've engaged,
Yeah,
tell me one good thing about Muhammad.
I name you one good thing about India. They don't know how to put men in prison. Women in India are buried in cages because men like him go and dig them up and rape them.
Anytime soon, one good thing about Muhammad.
Now,
One,
stop
just
making
one.
false accusations against
Just
him.
one. One good thing about Muhammad. All prepared for violence and terror at Speaker's Corner. But when it comes to the most basic of questions about his boss, his lifelong boss, Muhammad, no answer. Zilch. Nothing. Nothing to give as a response. Instead of putting on his mask every day, he could have learned one thing in his Quran, which he could have brought here for our discussion. That's him and Shemshi and the rest of the mafia here. I'm not sure what exactly they're doing here. I think perhaps some sort of an Al-Zut kind of experience here. Clearly nothing useful. Lovely, thank you. So, Islam is in tatters and these people are growing up not being ashamed of the fact of Islam being in tatters. Can you imagine? You come all the way from Mecca, all the way from wherever you come from, Kuwait or wherever, and you come to Speaker's Corner just to have your Islamic huddle. I would like to think that you would come to Speaker's Corner to engage with a Christian. I, as a Christian, on the other hand, in my own home turf, Speaker's Corner, am willing. I can see at this rate clearly Islam would be growing because people are breeding like some sort of animals. So clearly at this rate it would be growing like anything. So at Speaker's Corner in London, the invitation is open to any Dawa Mafia ringleader. Please don't send the violent Islamic Mafia minions because they are too boring. Please send the ringleaders who are hiding inside. Any one of you, please come outside. Excuse me, sir, please send a message inside to the clowns who are at the center to walk away, come here. Not be threatened anymore. I completely understand Muhammad was afraid terribly like you. And all of you guys have since been afraid. Muslims have been afraid of information and lately, of course, of internet, social media, anything where people can discuss things, they are afraid of. They come to Speaker's Corner only to have their little huddle.